Mount Sinai Health System has deployed Clear's biometric identity platform across 7 hospitals and over 400 outpatient sites in New York City. The Clear One system mandates selfie scans with liveness detection for patient check-ins, employee logins, and treatment access, marking the first such requirement in a major NYC network. Privacy advocates warn that centralized biometrics create hacking risks and clash with state immigrant protections amid heightened federal enforcement concerns. Reports indicate the automated scans bypass traditional doctor triage, potentially increasing wrong patient errors despite studies showing photos can reduce such risks by verifying identities. Meanwhile, New York State Senate Bill 2025 S1422 seeks stricter consent rules, data destruction requirements, and limits on biometric profits. A recent survey reveals nearly half of likely undocumented immigrants are skipping care due to deportation fears, amplifying scrutiny over healthcare surveillance. Industry watchers say what to watch for is whether ongoing probes into tech firms' government ties will slow this biometric expansion in sensitive medical settings.
vp.net, the only VPN that you don't have to trust, because it can't spy on you.